Hello children, welcome back to our online session. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the lesson, that is measurement of physical quantities. In that, first we will see the standards of the fundamental quantities. As the standard of mass, a solid cylinder made of a platinum iridium alloy is kept in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris. As per the international agreement, this mass is called 1 kg, 1 kilogram. Official accurate copies of this prototype are kept in the standardizing laboratories or institutes all over the world. In this way, children, 1 kilogram, this quantity come into an existence. Two fine lines are engraved on a platinum iridium bar kept in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris. The distance between these two lines is accepted as the standard meter, 1 meter. Accurate copies of this prototype are made and distributed to standardized laboratories or institutes all over the world. In this way, we got the distance, that is 1 meter. The time required for one revolution of Earth is measured by means of an accurate device. This time is taken as 24 hours. To standardize 1 second, 1 hour is considered to have 60 minutes and 1 minute 60 seconds. So in this way, these are the standards of the fundamental quantities. Now let's have more information on fundamental quantities. It is enough to select a few out of the many quantities and standardize their units. Units of the quantities, length and time need to be standardized. Such quantities are called fundamental quantities and their units are called standard units. Of course, a standard fundamental unit must be available to all and it must not be variable. That is why we discussed before only the standards of the fundamental quantities. Now, let's move further. International system of units. An international system of units based on 7 fundamental units called the System International, that is SI. S stands for system and I for international. It is currently used all over the world. It is also called the metric system. The names and symbols of the units of the fundamental quantities, length, time and mass in this system are given. For example, see in the table. Quantity, see first column, length, mass, time. The length, it is measured in the unit meter and symbol of the unit is m. Mass, name of the unit kilogram and its symbol is kg. Kg stands for kilogram. And time, unit is second and symbol is s. So in this way, we can measure these fundamental quantities. Okay. Children, now you will think that what is the importance of accurate measurement? So listen. How accurate a measurement must be depend upon its purpose. Accordingly, an appropriate device has to be used for the measurement of substances that are precious of great importance and used in very small quantities is done meticulously and accurately. Due to advancement in technology, devices that measure very small magnitudes of quantities like distance, mass, time, and temperature are available now. For example, distance and time in connection with very important sports competitions, mass of gold, body temperature, etc., etc. So in this way, it is very important to get accurate measurement. To prevent consumers from being cheated, weights and measures subdivision functions as part of the Food, Urban Supply and Consumer Protection Division of the government. Officers of this subdivision visit different places from time to time and ascertain whether the weights and balance being used are proper or not. A special cell is working on it. They are checking the balance, that whether the shopkeepers they are using the balances proper or not. It is binding by law to use standard weights and measures. It is also a function of the weights and measure subdivision to grant license for the production, sales and repair of weights and measure. So here children, we have finished this lesson. You must watch this online link properly. In the next webinar, I will again discuss this point in detail. Thank you.